Heavy machinery doesn't just run on fuel or luck, it runs on precision engineering, reliability, and components that are designed to withstand extreme workloads. One of the most essential components in any diesel-powered excavator or heavy-duty engine is the fuel injection pump. This is what ensures that fuel is delivered in the right amount, at the right pressure, and at exactly the right time. Without it, the engine can't perform efficiently, and in high-demand settings, that can mean costly downtime and lost productivity. This video focuses on the fuel injection pump compatible with NT855-P280 engines, part number 3,419,216. This replacement part may not seem glamorous, but its role is crucial in keeping engines running smoothly and reliably. Every piece of machinery has a part like this, the one that quietly ensures everything else works as intended. The fuel injection pump controls how fuel enters the combustion chamber, and the precision of that process directly impacts engine performance. Accurate fuel delivery improves efficiency, reduces emissions, and ensures the engine produces consistent power, even under heavy loads. A poorly functioning pump, on the other hand, can lead to engine hesitation, uneven performance, and increased fuel consumption. That's why a high-quality replacement is more than just a convenience, it's an investment in performance. This particular pump is engineered for NT855-P280 engines, widely used in excavators, loaders, and other industrial machinery. These engines are valued for their durability and torque, which means the fuel injection system must be equally robust. Installing a pump like this one ensures that the engine continues to deliver consistent power across various operating conditions. Durability is a major strength of this replacement pump. Machined to high tolerances, it's built to withstand the high pressures and repeated stress of continuous operation. Materials and construction are carefully selected to prevent leaks and resist wear, even under extreme temperatures or challenging environments. For operators who have experienced failure with lower quality parts, the difference in reliability is immediately noticeable. Compatibility is another essential aspect. This pump is designed as a direct replacement, so installation is straightforward. There's no need for modifications or improvisation, which reduces downtime and avoids installation errors. In the world of heavy machinery, where time is literally money, a direct fit component like this one can save hours of labor. Performance-wise, this replacement ensures that the engine maintains stable fuel delivery across a wide range of operating conditions. Whether the engine is idling or running at full load, the pump ensures that the fuel reaches the cylinders in the exact quantity needed. This stability improves efficiency, smooths engine operation, and protects other engine components from excessive wear. Long-term reliability is equally important. Heavy machinery often operates in harsh conditions, hot, dusty, wet, or freezing environments. A fuel injection pump must remain functional despite these challenges. This pump is designed with longevity in mind, ensuring continuous performance over extended periods of heavy use. For businesses and operators, that reliability translates to fewer interruptions, reduced maintenance costs, and improved project timelines. Cost-effectiveness over time is another benefit. While the initial investment might be higher than some low-cost alternatives, the long-term savings are significant. Fewer breakdowns, lower repair costs, and improved fuel efficiency mean that this pump pays for itself over its operational lifespan. Choosing a quality replacement reduces the risk of unexpected downtime and avoids the hidden costs associated with inferior components. Maintenance is simplified with this pump. Its direct fit design for NT855-P280 engines ensures that technicians can service or replace it quickly, without needing specialized tools or adjustments. In field operations, where efficiency matters, the ease of maintenance can make a substantial difference in overall productivity. Precision is key when it comes to fuel injection. Properly timed fuel delivery reduces exhaust emissions and enhances fuel efficiency. In today's environment, where sustainability and regulatory compliance are increasingly important, these performance benefits are particularly valuable. The pump ensures that fuel is used effectively, reducing waste and minimizing the environmental impact of heavy machinery operation. Durability under extreme conditions is another advantage. Excavators and other heavy machinery often work in environments filled with dust, mud, and fluctuating temperatures. This pump is built to endure those challenges, providing consistent performance when conditions are less than ideal. That reliability under stress is what sets quality replacement parts apart from generic alternatives. Direct replacement